Are you familiar with the term ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Now, imagine all your data in one place. Finance, HR, CRM, manufacturing information, and even more in a single unified system with real-time visibility that's always up to date on every device. Well, if you have a lot of data, and I mean a lot of data on your hands to process, and you're supposed to organize, store, manage, and use all that information for your enterprise benefit, this amazing tool will help you save a lot of time, effort, and money. With an ERP at your side, you'll reduce the risk of mistakes, eliminate deprecated data, and streamline your enterprise workflow operations. That's where we come in to help. Cynch offers a modern, fast, and easy-to-use ERP within one single platform, eliminating the need for multiple integrations and plugins. But that's not everything Cynch is. Cynch just works better. Cynch offers you everything an ERP solution does and more. We are the fastest and easiest way for enterprises to run all their operations seamlessly and tailored just for you. Want to talk? Contact us. We'll be happy to give you a demo. Happy selling!